Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov for today, being September 22nd, 2024. Like I always say, the most important thing is placing the headshots on the tiles correctly in the correct order. So let's get into it. The first one today would be this. The second one would be this. The third one would be this. And the last one for today will be this. So the correct pattern would be 6, 7, 5, 4. 6, 7, 5, 4. 6, 7, 5, 4. So let's check it out. So now we've got the major 5,000 points for today and the major puzzle Durov. Please, if you find any value from this video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload these messages or these videos, you'll be the first to get them. Thank you very much for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Bye bye.